Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy stocks on Robinhood, a popular investment app that allows you to trade stocks, options, and other securities. To get started, you will need to download the Robinhood app and create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires some basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it with money to start buying stocks. You can do this by linking your bank account to the app and transferring funds. Robinhood does not charge any commission fees for buying or selling stocks, making it a cost-effective way to invest. To buy a stock, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the ticker symbol or the name of the company you want to invest in. For example, if you want to buy Apple stock, you can type in AAPL. Select the stock from the search results and click on it to view its details page. On the details page, you can view the stock's current price, chart, and other relevant information. To place an order, click on the buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for the stock. After you have placed your order, Robinhood will execute it at the current market price or your limit price, depending on the type of order you chose. You can view your portfolio and track the performance of your stocks in the app. Some key concepts to keep in mind when buying stocks on Robinhood include understanding the different types of orders, such as market orders and limit orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute if the stock reaches your specified price. It is also important to have a long-term perspective when investing in stocks and not to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks and other securities can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. In conclusion, buying stocks on Robinhood is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these instructions and doing your own research, you can start investing in the stock market and working towards your financial goals. Remember to always keep your investment goals and risk tolerance in mind when making investment decisions.